That is correct. I mean, trees have always been a huge part of Panjim, and it's our job and our responsibility to basically replant whatever has fallen, whatever has died. So even in the coming months, also we're planning these plantation drives to basically ensure that Panjim retains all of its green cover. Like I said, it's an integral part of the city. So I'm very grateful towards Kabir's initiative to get the process. Thank you.
What message you want to give to builders to cut the trees and all?
Plant more trees. I mean, it's see, the government I think has an afforestation campaign. You see, it's not only. I think it's up to every individual also. Now, say for example, even the corporation during the course of the monsoons, we conduct surveys with different departments to basically check and see if a tree is dangerous. So we also are responsible for cutting down trees, which is why I'm saying we want to take. A lot of people also take the initiative. I mean, they spearhead this entire thing. But then the corporation also, I believe that we need to do more in terms of increasing our forest cover, like I've said. So in the coming months, we're planning bigger drives. We want to involve school children, professionals, everybody and anybody who wants to basically get involved to make sure that Panjim stays as green as it currently is.
Well, as part of the, we're celebrating World Environment Day, and it's not only about one day, it's a continuous process. It's not only for the week, it's for the month, it's for the entire year, basically. It's our duty to, plant more greenery and stuff like that. And as you know, on this, on our DB road, a number of rain trees have fallen over the years. Okay, so this is an effort, an initiative from our side to replant the rain trees in the locations where they had previously fallen. So as you know, we have had a number of residents who have come out here to support this initiative and this cause today. Honorable Mayor Mr. Rohit Monserrat has taken time out as well, and it's an important thing for the city, for the lungs of the city. So yes, it's not only our duty is not only about planting them, but it's also about maintaining them, and hopefully in years to come we'll see beautiful trees along this DB road.
कभी टोटल कितनी झाडा लायला तुम्ही आता सध्या?
About four in this stretch between Gymkhana and Chogles in this area, and then there are near the children's park on the main road where we had identified another 4 or 5 which had fallen, and we'll be now heading there to plant those trees.
Same place
Same location where they had fallen last time. Yes. Yeah.